Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a boho belt. I'm not really sure if that's what it's called, but it's got little things hanging from it, so I'm going to put a picture up here to give you, to show you what it's supposed to look like. So we'll see if it comes out like that. So I use t-shirting because it's the best thing, it doesn't fray. Also I used, leather strips, different types, and I used some feathers and then also some like ribbon that you would usually sew onto clothes. I used some of that as well. So let's run the intro and get started with the video. I love being creative and trying new things in my journey through life, writing best practices, tips and tricks, sharing updates on my own writing and books with different tutorials sprinkled in between. I enjoy sharing my knowledge. There's music covers and original pieces written and composed by me, handmade jewelry reveals, sewing videos, other crafts, poetry reading, book reviews, and many, many more. Come and join me on this journey and let's have fun together. This is what I'm going to be using. A belt, which my husband made holes in for me. It's fake leather, so the leather started lifting in the middle as he made the holes, but it's fine because it's going to be covered mostly. These are all the pieces that I'm going to be putting on, and I'm going to be clamping the leather pieces on with ribbon ends. The frayed ribbons I'll be sewing on, and these I'll be tying on, and the rest I'll also be tying on. Let's get started. You're also going to need a flat nose plier to clamp the ribbon ends down. The first thing that I'm going to need to do is to work out where we're going to put what. This belt has 37 holes. How you place your pieces is your personal preference. The nice thing about t-shirting is that it doesn't really fray, and you can pull it and it makes it longer and rolled in. I'll be doing that as I put it onto the belt. I would like the feathers to be at either end of the belt so that when the belt is on, they will be facing forward. So I take the first piece of t-shirting and I stretch it. I then fold it in half and tie it onto the belt like this. Then I take the piece of leather and clamp it on using the ribbon ends. This was not an easy process, but I eventually got it right. I then continued this process. The only difference was when I sewed on the frayed ribbon. this is the end result. I did the rest off camera so that I don't bore you because it's all the same, and I will be doing the reveal soon. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, if you can please give it a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so and click the subscription block below. It shows support for my channel, which I also really do appreciate, and it also helps with all the YouTubey things. If you look in the description block below, you will find my all of my social media, including my blog, which is where you'll find more content from me. And if you go to www.patreon.com/Ondeane Lourens, you will also find more content from me, and it's also the best place for you to support what I do on this channel, and then also what I do on my blog. Sorry that this was a short one. I didn't expect it to be so short, so I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Enjoy your day, and keep your crystal on and your sparkle strong. Goodbye.